child. In this Kali Yuga, food is equivalent to Parabrahma. It is the life force that sustains every living being. So understand its importance and don't waste it. Instead, share it with those in need. Also, remember to cook your food with love and a peaceful mind. Food is energy and it will absorb the vibrations you give it. So, never cook and eat with a restless mind. I know you have been waiting since long to visit Shirdi. Soon your turn shall come and you will have my blissful darshan at Shirdi. Till then, don't forget that I am omnipresent right next to you all the time in my subtle form, whether you see it or not. Today, offer me a flower of your choice. Lots of love and blessings to you.
स्वतंत्रता आणि जीवा. आज स्वतःला आरशात बघा व स्वतःलाच पाहून हसा. एक छानशी मिठी द्या आणि नेहमी विश्वास ठेवा की मी तुमच्या सोबतच आहे व तुमच्यावर खूप प्रेम करतो. म्हणून आनंदी राहा व खूप हसत राहा. माझे आशीर्वाद सदैव तुमच्या पाठीशी आहेत.